Hey, this is Ross with Protect Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're up in Weeki Wachee and we're working on this garage slash utility room. This is about 1,000 square foot. So our grind is done, our repairs are done. We sanded it and filled the control joints, and that's what's going to give us a seamless surface when we're all done. Pretty straightforward job. It was a tough grind. Cement was a little hard, and cure and seal was really on there. So some of the repairs we did was, they had left us kind of rough. So we ground it all back, made it flush, and then the homeowner is going to come back and paint those back in, but at least it'll be flush and you'll never know it was there. So this is a pretty large house and a relatively large lot. Very nice place, as a matter of fact. And what we're doing as well, in addition to the garage, there's a remote pool storage room. So we're getting that off our list. We've been working on that, and what we're doing is we're trying to, instead of having this hang, and that's what that looks like. So right now Laura's working on the baseboards. Chuck is getting ready, he's helping her out, but he's getting ready to put the floor in. And this is about 62 square feet.
This segment shows the pool storage area. Next I'll show the final in the garage. But basically this got the same exact treatment as the garage, which was grinding, epoxy, chips, and baseboard, plus the polyaspartic top coat. So again, next we'll show the garage and the progress that we made in there. The garage looks really good. In the service area, we got rid of the trip hazard. So here we go with the garage. Here's our garage portion all finished up. It looks great. Very happy with the way this job turned out. So there's a couple little things unique about this garage that we took care of while we're here, which I'll point out as we go along. So this garage got baseboard. And right here there was a trip hazard. It was about 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch tall. And we ground that out and feathered it in, so it's not a trip hazard anymore. So we did sand and fill the control joints, and that's how we have a seamless surface. There's a couple little things against the wall like this. You'll see on the other side, you'll see it a little better where we patched it, we made it flush, and the homeowner's going to come back and paint that back in. That's going to look really nice. It's going to look like it was never there. This was a full diamond grinding. We removed the cure and seal coating. We got back down to bare concrete, put down an industrial grade epoxy, full chip color camel, and a durable top coat UV stable polyaspartic. This is a little bit better example over here of the things that we ground flush and patched. So when that gets painted, you'll never know it was there. So this garage had the aprons done because there was no definitive cutoff for the door, just the way they flow sometimes. And it looks nice, really nice against the pavers. This was a good color choice too, to go with the house as well as the pavers. All went together real nice. Again, this color is camel, and I'll show a better example of it in a second right here. Too bad the sun wasn't there a little bit, so you could see a little bit in and out of the sun. I like to do that when I can, give you a better idea what it looks like. Now, in addition, there was a remote area. It was a pool storage area that we had done, same style, same treatment. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.